My name is Cynthia and I'm from Belgium. I come here to promote Kyrgyzstan. So firstly, I travel a lot in Kyrgyzstan. I'm a photographer, so I take a lot of photos, and I also blog about Kyrgyzstan as I have a travel blog, Journal of Nomads. I visited a bit more than 35 countries for a bit more than 10 years. And I came for the first time in Kyrgyzstan in 2017, and I kept coming back, so I think this is my 4th year that I'm in Kyrgyzstan. I would compare Kyrgyzstan a little bit to New Zealand. I recognize a lot of things in Kyrgyzstan that is very similar to New Zealand. I could also compare it a bit to Switzerland, the alpine places. And for the rest, Kyrgyzstan is very unique, because what makes Kyrgyzstan so special for me, for nature, is that it's very, very diverse. Like you drive through one valley, the next valley is very different, then the other one is still very different. Kyrgyzstan has so much to offer for nature. No, to travel in Kyrgyzstan, it's, I would say, very good for budget travelers. The prices are very affordable. Same like even if you stay in a hotel or a guest house or a yurt, especially for Western travelers, Kyrgyzstan is very budget friendly. I do a lot of jobs. My main profession is travel blogger. I'm also a photographer. I also organize tours as well in Kyrgyzstan as in other countries. So I actually bring people to travel in Kyrgyzstan. I think all regions except for Batken. Hard. Because all regions have something special to offer. Like for example, in the Jalalabad region, you have Arslanbop and Sarıçelek, which are beautiful. Then more up north, you have Iziku, which feels like a holiday destination. But then, like here in Karakol, you have like Alaku Lake. You have the mountains where we are in right now. Near Narin, you have like Kelsu Lake, which is completely different as well. So I found it very hard. I would say just take a month if you come to Kyrgyzstan and try to visit all the regions. Now that, for example, Kyrgyzstan has, like for most countries, you don't need a visa to enter, I have the impression more and more people will come. Definitely when they see how beautiful it is here. I find the people here very friendly, and honestly, like I'm a woman traveling alone. And for example, my family sometimes worries I'm in the mountains with just male guides, but yeah, everybody here is so respectful and so kind and hospitable. Yeah, I never had any issues here. Yeah. I feel very safe. So I think Kyrgyzstan has a lot of potential when it comes to outdoor adventure travel. And at the moment we are in Sarıcas Valley, so in the eastern part of the country and very close to the border with Kazakhstan.